How to unblock someone on Zangi Messenger app. Hey everybody, this video is going to be about how you can easily unblock someone on the Zangi Messenger. Open up the application first. You can download it from Google Play Store or App Store. Now once you open up the app, make sure that you are logged in. And on your chat section, you'll find all of your recent chats. So if you want to block someone, you can find the contact. If you don't see it on your recent chats, you can find the search icon at the top. Just tap on it and you can just search for the number, ID, or their name. And once you have done that, you could easily get into their chat. Now, let me just go ahead and quickly block this person to show you guys how I can unblock them. So this person has been successfully blocked. So if I want to go ahead and unblock them, if they are still on your inbox, just tap on the profile, go to profile again, and then from here you can find the unblock button. So tap on this unblock this contact option, and you will be able to unblock them from here. If you can't find them on your recent chats or inbox, go to settings at the bottom right, then go to privacy. And from your privacy settings, you'll find your blocked contacts. Tap on it. Now from here, just select the contact that you have blocked. And if you want to unblock them, just tap on unblock and you've successfully unblocked the contact. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.